Okay, we are moving on to step 4, including and excluding words in Ahrefs from Keywords Explorer page. Okay, so copy and paste the include list to the include filter on the Keywords Explorer page and be sure to click any word. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the list of words that we have going here, our document. I'm gonna copy. I don't want a period in there, so I'm just going to copy everything up to that period. Copy, and then I'm going to go to, we're in Keywords Explorer, we're in related terms, and now we're going to go to include, and we are going to paste all the words in here. Okay? And it's usually on all words. Because I just did this, it was on any word. So you have to be sure to click any word, okay? And then click apply. Okay? Now I'm just going to click copy and then exclude, and I'm going to copy those in there and hit apply. Okay. And now we can look down and we can see how we're doing and how relevant all of these are. And if you have something that's completely off topic, add it to the exclude. When should someone be offered palliative care? These are all very well related to what we're looking for. Palliative medicine. Does palliative care mean death? What is palliative care? What is palliative care purpose? See, these are all very well related to what we are wanting to help people understand is what palliative care is generally. And that has many branches. So we're just trying to help people out. Nothing here is way off topic. And palliative is probably an easier word than maybe something that there's just so many other words you could try that have more correlated meanings. Palliative is a very distinct specific meaning. So that's probably kind of helping us out here. So I'm not seeing anything that's not correlated. So we're doing great, basically. And that is, that's our step there. So there you go. We did step 4. That is step 4.